In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete LinkedIn account permanently in mobile phone. So first I open this app on my Android phone, then click on this profile icon, and then again click on setting icon. Then it's working. Now click on account preference, then again scroll down, you can see this is a close account option. Again click on continue, then you need to select a reasons why you created or why you deleted this account from here. So you can select any one, then click on next. Then now you can put your LinkedIn password, then select this tick mark, then click on done. When you click on done, your account will be deleted from LinkedIn permanently. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.